Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Pag-usapan natin ngayon itong post ng ArcLight. Kahapon nila ito pinost one day ago. Title: A threat to the President is a threat to every Filipino. Yusek Jesse Andres, Department of Justice, November 27, 2024. So, yan po. So, first time ko itong nabasa na statement. November 27 pa eh. So ito siguro yung after yung press conference ni VP Sara, yung madaling araw, yung nabanggit ni VP Sara na kung if magurgur ako, mayroon na akong nakontak na tao na gurguron din sila. I believe. So, ni-research ko sa Google, ito ang lumabas talagang statement ni Yusek Jesse Andres yan. Ito, nakalagay sa Google. Andres told the briefing, it's a press briefing. Ito yung exact word ni Yusek Andres. And that should be the view of every Filipino. Lahat daw tayo, dapat ganito ang pag-iisip. Dinidiktahan tayo ng pag-iisip ng Yusek nito. Sabi niya, a threat to the President is a threat to every Filipino because he is the one expected to deliver the service. Wow! Galing! Sana yung mag-deliver talaga ng presidente, maligaya tayo. And if he is impeded because of a death threat, then it is a disservice to our people. Ayan. So, ang line of thinking ng Yusek na ito is dapat tayo daw mga Pilipino maalarma, magalit, ikundina yung pahayag ni VP Sara na kung may mangyari kay VP Sara, may nakahanda ng tao na gugurgur sa kanila. So tayo daw mga Pilipino, dapat ganun ang pag-iisip natin. Threat na yon sa atin. Yung sinabi ni VP Sara is a threat sa atin, every Filipino. Yan po ang idea, opinion ni Yusek Andres. Okay, so again, tignan natin yung reaction, tignan natin yung mga comments ng mga tao. Kasi ito po yung kagandahan sa social media. Malalaman mo yung pulso ng taong bayan. Ano? So, tignan natin yung people who reacted. Isang araw na post, 6,000 people reacted. So, may tumatawa, may nagalit, may nasyak, may lumuluha, may dumidilat, gano'n. Mayroong nag-like, mayroong naglagay ng heart. Okay, so out of 6,000 people who reacted, 5,000 people tinatawanan lang. Ibig sabihin, hindi sila sang-ayon, hindi sila naniniwala sa idea, opinion ni Yusek Andres. And then, ang galit, 75. Ang nasyak, 35. Ang dumidilat, gano'n 11. Ang lumuluha, 9. Ang pumabor lang kay Yusek Andres is 819 ang nag-like at 62 ang may puso. So, 881. Wala pang how many percent? 6,000 eh. So, wala pang 10% ang naniwala sa kanya. So, hindi po sang-ayon majority ng Pilipino itong pananaw ni Yusek Andres na threat sa mamamayang Pilipino yung binitawang salita ni BP Sara. Okay, comments. Ito na. Tignan natin kung wala pa akong nabasang comments nga pabor kay Yusek Andres. Okay. Eloisa Rojas, sabi niya, the President and his administration is a big threat to the country. O di, nadamay pang presidente. Sinong danger, nagbibigay ng danger sa buhay ng Pilipino? Ang presidente. So, damay siya. So, maraming nag-reply dito kay Eloisa Ramos. Hindi ma-open. Okay. Felix Jordan. Huwag mo kaming idamay, Andres. Kailangan mong sumipsip. Sabi niya. Pataas ko na. Mataas. Okay. Babalikan natin yung mamaya. Ito yung mga reply kay ano. Eloisa Rojas, sabi niya, the President and his administration is a big threat to the country. Correct, sabi ni Ronnie Cañeda. Sabi ni Danilo Di Guzman, that's true. Banig Hapin, super correct yan. Buhay magsasaka, correct. Pati po, BP is na threat na din. Alita Lopez Chio, it's true. They are all threat to the Filipino. Ito na kay Felix Jordan. Huwag mo kaming idamay, Andres. Kailangan mong sumipsip sa amo mo para tumagal ka sa pwesto mo. Freddy Caspe, actual threat to the President is Polvoron. Donald Panado Bahado, his failure of governance, meaning presidente, is a big threat to the Filipino people. That's why they divert politically issue to the Dutertes so they can cover up all their failures and corruption. JC DG, there's no actual threat to this nation, but the highest degree of corruption taking place within this administration, especially the Congress, for not adhering to our fundamental laws of the land, the basic rights of our citizenship, by ignorance is done by social injustice. Leslie Dalman, the President and his uselessness is a threat to the Filipinos. Nadadamay na ang presidente dahil sa ganitong statement ni Yusek Andres. Donghens BP Armada, PhilHealth Zero Subsidy is the true threat to every Filipino. Yan. Agree ba kayo? Yung ginawang zero subsidy ng PhilHealth. Di ba yun ang nakakaalarma? Ngayon nga na may subsidy ang PhilHealth, kakaunti yung medical assistance na ibibigay. How much more itong zero subsidy? Yan ang threat. Mensyok Lee, corruption is a big threat to all Filipino. BP Sara threatening the president, it's because she loved the people and she loved our country as well. Bugos Cristina, so much better for him to resign, the president. No Hamods, that president itself is a threat to the Filipinos. John Mandirigma, kapag ngagba ang president, ngagba ang lahat. Asura, president is the biggest threat to the Filipino people. Chico Lati, the only threat to the Filipinos is the president who don't know how to lead a country. Ito, medyo iba yung letter, hindi ko mabasa. To have a ngagba president is a threat to Filipinos. Owing Hormisolia, having a president addictive to pulburon put every Filipino in jeopardy. So, Marvin Cagas, the president, his family is a threat to the future of the Filipinos. So, halos lahat negative para kay Yusek Andres at sa presidente. Kaya grabe ang social media ngayon. Nakaka-exciting magbasa sa mga comments at yung mga reaksyon. Ulitin ko, out of 6,000 comments, okay, review natin. Out of 6,000 comments, 5,000 tinatawanan lang, hindi pinapaniwalaan si Yusek Andres. Tapos 800 plus lang ang nag-like at nagbigay ng heart. Ibig sabihin, hindi threat to every Filipino yung katagang binitawan ni BP Sara.